Okay, this is a small demo to show you how to update your profile with your photograph and other information. When you log in, just beside your name or a blank space, there is this small button which is called as user menu. Click on it and scroll down to profile. Click on profile. Your profile will open. There is a link here called as edit profile. Click on edit profile. Now here you can change the information if you wish. You can change your name, surname, email address is also mistaken, then you can correct it here. Then any other information, you can give us brief description about yourself, and then lastly a user picture. You can add a picture here. There is a box here in which you can just drag and drop a file, or you can click on this button, add file, then again upload a file, or from this upload a file there is this button, choose file, and same way you choose files in your browser. You can choose your photograph from any of these, and you can browse to the folder where your photograph is and then select it and then add it here and say upload this file. This will add your photograph. After that, just click on update profile. And you will immediately start seeing your photograph on your login page.